Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Ketenat Rijingri ke Sarkar Jela uba Alexander lalu hek ulaong baka Ktien Hindi kadai ka Ktien ka Pura jong ka ri. Bat kamlong ka bala banyalek Pyrshah bat ka Ktien Pura jong ka ri. Bat ka jing Pyrshah jong ka Voice of the People Party kadai ka monladi jong ki ban le ya ka no kuno ka jing Pyrshah Henry ka Ktien Hindi kadai ka Ktien ka pendon kam habaro ka wai ka ri. Bat jan barok ki ying dor bar thawaan hapo ki jilla jong ka riru ki pendon kam ni ka Ktien Hindi bat wat hado ki ying dor bar thawaan jong ka ri ka Lok Sabha ru ki pendon kam da ka Ktien Hindi la bendrap uba heng nakaliang unong ay Ktien jong ka BJP Meghalaya unit pat uba Maria hum kharkarang habay keren bat kilat pathai khubor mentakas ngi ka lai terik urempang ulapan pau da ka baong ba kwa ban ong AA halor ka jing Pyrshah jong ki weipat ki sengsan perthei halor ka jing pendon kam ni ka Ktien Hindi hapo ka ying dor bar thawaan badula ongru bala da ka dei ka jing thmu jong ki amla ban le AA bat kumbala tip maka Ktien Hindi ka de ka Ktien ka Pura hapo ka ri amla ban Khang ya kata la bendrap uba kharkarang.
And the Hindi is the official national language and also the official language. How you can say that we will go against the national language?
So what do you think UP is raising up the issue?
This is their own opinion, their own issue. But if you ask me, the Hindi is the Rashtra Bhasha. They speak in all the assemblies in the state of the country. They speak in Parliament. So this is the national language.
I don't want to make any comments on what the other political parties, they intend to do. It is not right also. But I feel what to say? I mean, like if that's their point of view, then how?
No, what's your point of view on governor addressing the house in Hindi?
No, Hindi is the national language, no. So how can we stop that? And for that matter, even English is a national language. So if you don't accept Hindi, or if you don't accept Hindi, then how do you accept English? See, so the thing is, these are two national languages which have been recognized. And apart from that, then other languages are the only local languages you can speak. So from our side, from the BJP side, we don't have any problem of speaking in Hindi.
But the translator
Copies are there. Assembly Secretariat has already made all arrangements. So that ultimately, for any excuse, you can't make it a political agenda for any excuse. For any reason, somehow the other you get some reason on and make a political agenda out of it. And I think so. Let's concentrate on development. That is what is required for our state, rather than talk about these kind of things.